Hi, Bub. Alright. It's May 7th.
Yep.
And this is day 2 of solids. We're going to give you some avocado.
Avocados from Mexico. Okay. Uh-oh. Here. You like
What do you
it?
think?
Ooh.
That's different than yesterday, huh?
Yeah, what do you think? One more? Ooh. Is it weird? I think you may like it.
Here, let's put the camera over there because you're a fan.
Okay. Well, you want me to just go from the... Okay.
Yeah, we haven't done it from that angle anyway.
Yeah. What'd you think? Your mouth's all green. Your mouth's all green. Oh, I think somebody likes this.
Yeah, it seems like he likes the avocado. Hey, Bub.
Yummy. Yummy. You like it?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop taking pictures. I think he's getting a little overwhelmed.
Oh, he's okay. He's okay.
He's fine.
What do you think, Bubba? Oh. Now you're gonna reach for it, huh? Is it yummy? Oh.
You like it?
Yeah. You like it, Bubba? Does it taste good? I've got you some... Oh. Does that mean you want more or you don't want more?
I think you're liking the avocado.
I know. He's like reaching for the spoon. You're not sure about it though, huh? You're still kind of unsure?
It's like, what am I doing?
What is this stuff? What is this weird green stuff? Oh.
Ooh.
You have a green mouth.
Let's see the camera.
Oh. What do you think? Yummy. Yummy. Yeah. I think you like it. Avocado's yummy, isn't it? Yeah, Mommy and Daddy like avocados. It's good for you. Lots of good fat. Yeah. Wow, wow, wow. Yummy.
Alright, I think he's at it. Well, he's smiling.
Here, do one. I want one from this angle too.
Oh, okay. I'll come around.
Okay. Yummy. Yummy. Look at that messy mouth. What do you think? Yeah. He's opening his mouth for more. I think you may want more milk too. Do you want more milk and then maybe try some more of this? Or you want to keep going? What do you think? You're doing? Yeah. Look at that messy green mouth. Yeah. You like it? You like it? Uh-oh.
This is how I shut.
Agu. You like? It's weird, isn't it?
You like it, Bob?
Avocado is a super fruit, Bubba.
I'll give you a break on the photographs, okay?
I think he wants some milk. He just wants some milk.
Good job, Bob.
We'll try some more after you have some more milk.
All right. See you later.